Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Let's examine how to create point type in Elements. Point type lets you create text where each line of text is independent of the other lines. In Elements, you can create either horizontal or vertical text. As you type, the length of the line will grow. If you delete characters, the line of text will shrink. However, the line will not wrap to the next line of text. To create a point type text layer, click the Type Tool button in the toolbox, and then click either the Horizontal Type tool or the Vertical Type tool button in the Tool Options bar. Your mouse pointer will turn into an I-beam character when held over the image. This character marks the baseline of the text upon which the text will rest. Click into the image at the place where you want the text baseline to appear. Next, use the Tool Options bar to set your font options. Use the Font drop-down to select the font typeface. Use the Font Style drop-down to select the style of the font. This changes based on the font typeface selected. To set the font size, use the Size drop-down or click into this text box and then type your own font size measured in points. Next, click the Font Color box to display the swatches panel and double-click a font color to set the font color and close the panel again. Use the Leading drop-down to determine the amount of space to place between the lines of text. The Tracking drop-down lets you adjust the spacing between highlighted or selected letters. As such, you can only use this drop-down after typing text and then selecting it. The next few buttons let you add faux bold, faux italic, underline, and strike through to text. Faux means that if the font you selected doesn't have the natural font style variation, this feature changes the text to mimic the effect. The next three buttons let you set the text alignment. For horizontal text, you can select the Left Align Text button to left align the text. Select the Center Align button to center the text lines by their horizontal centers. Click the Right Align Text button to right align the text. For vertical text, you can select Top Align Text to align the top of the vertical text. You can click the Center Text button to align the middle of the text lines, and you can click Bottom Align Text to align the bottoms of the lines of text. The Style drop-down lets you apply a style to the text layer after you finish typing the text. To change the text orientation, click the Change Text Orientation button to toggle between the horizontal and vertical choices. You can click the Warp Text button to launch the Warp Text dialog box, which lets you apply a shape to your text. To do this, use the drop-down to select a choice, change any settings you wish, and then click the OK button. Finally, make sure the anti-aliasing checkbox is checked to prevent jagged text edges, especially if any of the faux text styles are applied. After applying the initial text options, type the text using your keyboard. You press the Enter key on your keyboard to create a new baseline of text as needed. To apply your changes when you are finished typing, click the Confirm checkmark button. To cancel your changes, click the Cancel button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.